buddy? Oh, buddy. Hi, Hunter dude. Hey, Hunter dude. Oh, I love you. Hey. Hi,
So in the water right now, that is your men 30 to 39, your women 25 to 29. See Stevie Scrow there with a double cap on. Looking good, brother. Huge contingent on Sounders. There's Neil out of goal, looking good. Brian O'Doherty, you running today, Brian? Oh, okay. Ben Meikle, excellent, looking good.
There he is.
Okay, let's go. Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy!
Gary Grandma.
Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! Go, go, Daddy! Okay, now what? Go, Daddy! Take his bike in here.
Go, Daddy, go.
Everyone's Daddy. Hey, go! Go, Daddy! Go! Ready, go! Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy!
She's first overall lady. Sayaka Tassin is the ladies champion today so far. Nice job, Sayaka. Congratulations. There's Jeff Moisen from Guelph, Ontario. Jeff, nice job. Nice job, Daniel Newton. Congratulations to Dominic Roos as he finishes here today. Matt Primo, good efforts today in the men's 30 to 34 category.
Good job!
Oh, yeah.
Is in second, Jeff Moisen is in third, Noel Thompson in fourth, and Andrew Kopak is in fifth. On the ladies' side, from Guelph is Kelly Paul. Second is Christina Kraken. Third is Jody Becker. Fourth is Megan McDonald. And the fifth is Larissa Robinson. Mr. Sheridan, happy Father's Day. There you go. I want to thank again all of you for joining us here at the Subaru Triathlon Series. Go to trisportcanada.com for our upcoming events.